Welcome to Tech and Pray. We are going to explore how you can install and learn Android Studio, a powerful integrated development environment for building Android apps. My name is Godson, and I'll be guiding you through this step-by-step process. And let's get started. So first of all, we need to just check the system requirements of your PC. You need to ensure that your processor has 64 bits. You have at least 8 gigabytes of RAM. Also free 2 gigabytes on your disk. And also you need to check your operating system and ensure you run Windows 10 or 11, Mac OS or Linux. You can also check the system requirements on Android Studio website to make sure your system meets the requirements to avoid any issue during installation. So the thing is, we're going to download Android Studio. Now we're going to navigate on their official website. You will just come on your favorite preferred web browser, then you type download Android Studio. Then you come here on their official website. You will see this button to download Android Studio. Then you will start. You will first check terms and conditions. Of course, you need to read them. Then you agree. Download for Windows. So for me, I've downloaded it. So after downloading, you need to come here where you saved it and you open it. The pop-up will show the Android Studio setup. You will click next. This is the path. You can change it or just leave it like that. Here you will be asked to either create shortcuts, and those are dependencies that will be installed. You click install. It will take a couple of minutes. You just need to wait. Till the sun hits my window light. They don't see the struggles, they just see the shine. But they don't know the sleepless nights behind the grind. Compilation failure until they bring me down. But I was back to love, I don't mess around. I'm in my heart, push my dreams, no rollback, no delete, stack way low in my soul. But I'ma make it, I just know, I'm living that coding life, Sending coffee in 2 lines all night, Breaking loop, trying to get it right, Till the sun hits. Okay, now that the installation was completed successfully, you need to click next. Then start Android. Make sure this is checked and you finish. Click here and finish. So if you feel me, put your hands up high.
Keep on building, don't you lose your fight. From the first line to the final bite, we gon' make it as cold as life. Oh, 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 oh.
Okay, now that we have already installed Android Studio and we have started uh, the Android Studio Setup Wizard here, because we are opening it for the first time, we need to first set it up. So we click here next. Here you choose to install standard or custom, but here we prefer standard. These are all needed to be installed. You click next to install them. Oh, I'm living that coding life, yeah. Turning coffee into as you can see here, we are proceeding. It takes some couple of minutes. You just need to wait until it is done. They don't see the struggles, they just see the shine. But they don't know the sleepless nights behind the grind. Compilation failure until they bring me down. But I respect the love, I don't mess around. I'm in my heart, push my dreams, oh. I think no rollback, no delete, oh. Stack now it is done. Oh, but click finish. I just know, yeah. Here on more actions, then you import. You first need to check on the SDK manager. Then you will need to choose an as you can see, Android SDK platform is installed. This one checked, and also we have SDK tools. This one is installed. Also, this Android emulator, this one and this one. What you need to do is to install this command line tool, the latest. You need to check this one here. As you can see here, the install button, you will apply it. You will be prompted to confirm the change. Then you click OK. You will also need to wait a little bit. As you can see, it is now completed. We click here finish. Now it is installed. So we click here OK. Here we're going to create a virtual Android or virtual device. For us, we are going to be using Android. Till the sun hits my window light, yeah. They don't see the struggles, they just see the shine. But they don't need to allow networks. They bring me down, but I respect the love. I don't mess around. I'm in my heart, push my dreams, oh. No rollback, no delete, oh. Stack way low in my soul, oh. By default, I just know I have this medium phone, but if you want to add another device, you click here Here there is a form factor where you can choose a phone, tablet, Wear OS, desktop, TV, automobile, etc. You will choose for a phone your preferred one. Example like Pixel 7. Then you press next. Here you click to finish. As you can see here, it is added, so you click here to start it.
Keep on building, don't you lose your fight. From the first line to the final bite, we gon' make it as cold as life.
Okay, now as you can see, the Android emulator is running and working. So you can now start building your own Android apps using this powerful IDE. So if you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to ask in comment below in the comment section. And don't forget to like, subscribe for more tutorial and tech content. Thank you for watching.